Recipe with you guys. This is chocolate truffle. Now I'm sure you guys can't wait to check out the recipe. Let's just get started and see how we're going to make this delicious chocolate truffles. For the truffle, first we're going to make the ganache. For this, to a bowl, I've taken 250 grams of dark cooking chocolate. This is dark sweetened chocolate. You can roughly chop them into small pieces and add them to the bowl. Next, to the saucepan, I'm adding 160 ml of fresh cream. So gently heat the fresh cream on low. Once it begins to simmer, turn off the stove. To the chocolate, add 1 tablespoon of unsalted softened butter. Now add the hot cream into the bowl. Add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence and mix everything together. If the chocolate is not fully melted, use a double boiler to melt the chocolate completely. So the chocolate ganache for the truffle is ready. You can see how rich and smooth and creamy it is. Transfer this to a nice bowl and we're going to set this in the refrigerator for at least about 3 to 4 hours. You can also leave it overnight. So after about 4 hours, you can see the ganache is set beautifully. Now let's start making the truffles. I have 4 different types of toppings for the truffles. Scoop a little bit of the chocolate mixture. Using your palms, gently roll it. Now this can get a little messy. Gently roll the chocolate into a small ball. Roll it onto the cocoa powder. Make sure it's completely coated. So there you go. Now you have the cocoa covered chocolate truffle. Now you can use any type of toppings for the chocolate truffles. Take another scoop of the chocolate mixture. Roll it onto the colored sprinkles. Make sure it's completely coated and keep it aside. So the chocolate tends to melt, so don't roll it into your palms for too long. Just quickly roll it and keep it aside. So next, I'm rolling it on the chopped nuts. Now you can use any nuts of your choice. I've taken chopped walnuts. You can use chopped cashew nuts or almonds. Next, I'm rolling the chocolate mixture and some chocolate sprinkles. So I've used 4 different types of toppings for the truffles. You can see all different truffles. They look absolutely gorgeous. Like I said, you can use any toppings of your choice to make these truffles. They make for a perfect holiday treat and also make for a perfect gift. Once you've made all the truffles, you can refrigerate it till you serve them or you can enjoy them immediately. So for more exciting and wonderful recipes, subscribe to my YouTube